Welcome back. If you're new, please subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and check the description of this video. Make sure you check out Troy Priddy. I'm up here at his fig and fruit nursery today. I'm going to show you around real quick. Make sure you go check out his videos. You'll see a lot more. Here we go. So they ripen from the bottom up.
Talking about the big yellow long neck, John. Yeah. Look at that twin. Look at that Siamese twin back there.
Oh wow! Look at that.
Oh, look at that! Jeez. Hey, that tree either needs a bra or a jock strap.
Yeah, and what's really
it's a big.
I had one like that last year, and one side ripened and one side was behind.
Thing is huge.
Oh, at least really? This one's ripening and even.
Oh yeah, I guess you could lose.
It's really kind of two figs. Yeah, yeah.
The so yellow long neck. We are in greenhouse number 1, and I was here a few months ago, and it looked nothing like this. Everything was well below waist high, and I just cannot believe how big these fig trees are. So you've got 30 in here?
30
fig trees. What? We got 3 rows. So
3 rows of 10.
3 rows of 10. And there is a lot of figs. Let me walk you through here. We got a lot of different varieties. We have been taste testing, and they are all different. It is crazy to me how much different all these different figs taste. The look, the inside, the outside, the taste. And we tried most of these, and they are all just different flavors, different texture, different looks. I mean, it is fig trees for days in here. I cannot believe how much these have grown. Which one's that?
This is LSU Ollier.
Ollier. Yes, sir. Beautiful. Don't mind if I do. Every time. Man, those are good. And then we're in greenhouse number 2. We got what, 40?
44 here.
44, so 4 rows of 11?
Yep. And they've all just been planted in the last year. Okay,
so these are all fairly new. You got what, 3 rows in the ground and 1 row that's in pots?
These are in the ground.
Oh, okay.
There's no bottoms. So the thought was that this would help make them fruit earlier because they'd have more access to heat earlier.
Oh yeah, the black warming it up.
Yeah.
Have you found that to be true?
Well, at this point, no. It seems to be about the same.
About the same for the first year.
We'll see. It's just going to take some time to evaluate it, and those things will change as it goes and the trees mature.
Right.
So, and there's a few different colors down there too to see if there's any difference.
Gotcha.
In blue or red or black.
So this time next year, we should expect this greenhouse to be full as greenhouse number 1?
Yeah, it'd be pretty close.
I would think so.
Especially when we put the styrofoam boxes up on these trellises and then cover these things up for the winter and protect the wood. Yeah. They'll just be able to grow right on from here.
Okay.
And they typically, when you put them in the ground like this, they don't do a whole lot the first year. Except put root in. They dig in. Yeah. Second year they really grow.
So there's some neat varieties, a lot of stuff that I cannot pronounce. Make sure you go check up Troy's videos where he'll explain a lot more. But there are some pretty figs. Like I said, I just cannot believe how much difference they look and taste, and they're just good stuff.
Grise de Saint Jean.
See, I can't even say that.
This is apple pie.
Oh,
you can say that, can't you?
I can say apple pie for sure. Grise de Saint Jean. All right, I said it.
We normally call this one greenhouse 3.
Greenhouse number 3. He's got a lot of 5 and 7 gallon pots. Over, what'd you say, 270 varieties?
Yes.
He's got 270 plus varieties of figs. And for sale. Where can they find you at?
They can email me at figandfruit@yahoo.com.
figandfruit@yahoo.com. Yeah, the Smith, one of the favorites for sure. So juicy. Thing is huge. Super jumbo.
Super jumbo dark.
Green.
Dark.
Yeah.
Oh, this is what I'm really interested in.
Yeah, you need to be.
So when they're green, how do you tell that they're
soft?
Okay, just by the softness.
Soft and saggy.
Okay.
Yeah, here you go. So,
Oh my.
So see this. Let me show you something. See how soft that neck is? See
Yeah.
how it's wrinkly?
Okay.
Yeah, that's ready.
Okay. All right. And it's not quite as green as those. And then it looks like, you know, when they're still pretty small, they're kind of standing up straight.
You can see where these goes a long way to holding some of that up.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
It's a little more mild.
Invest in a little hoop house.
What's the green one? Green
Nursery.
Marchurinska.
And it will take the cold too.
Man, it tastes good. It's a little different than the others. It's crazy how different they all taste.
Yeah, those look like that's some commercial variety there.
This is super. Okay, Brazilian XP, red
Super
trim,
red
and super red hybrid.
Super
And
red
if you're
hybrid.
growing commercial, you want it, but
It's
here's
pretty.
the downside to it.
Oh Lord.
It can do that.
Yeah. It'll make you ill.
So you pretty much see how it explodes sometimes.
Oh, the bottom of it.
We just cut
exploded.
them up and dry them.
Yeah, some of these bigger varieties. The Brazilian XP. It's big. Some pretty figs. This one's the super red hybrid.
Sapphire 4. It doesn't ripen a full crop. But it's
Sapphire. Sapphire 4. It's lighter color on the inside.
It drops, but it's I like the flavor of it. It's a good fig.
It is.
Reminds me of oatmeal.
They got, I think it had some vanilla flavors in it.
That's what my tenna tastes like.
Earthy.
It's a big sugar fig, but
Yeah.
it tastes like oatmeal.
I get that. Oatmeal,
Argentina.
earthy.
Yeah, it's like grain.
Yeah, definitely. That's the first one that's tasted like that.
Here's used Conte. It didn't fruit real good this year,
And it's
but they
huge.
don't stripe until they ripen.
It's amazing
really?
how
Yep.
these can
Well, that
grow
makes for-
so
that
close
makes for a
together
It's
and have
real
a
pretty
totally
when it
different taste.
ripens. Real pretty.
Right, and that.
Making a good commercial variety if you get
If you can
Weird.
get
It's
more
like they're
production
born
out
with
of
their
it.
own
And I
DNA,
might be able to help it.
Yeah,
prune it a
or
little
made.
differently, But
Yeah, a lot of them were
everybody wants
made.
one of these trees. Fruit that prunes for cuttings too.
Right.
So now, John,
Well, you got some that's about to try to
now,
shoot through the
that's a
roof.
Smith off of an in-ground.
Okay, Smith off the in-ground. Ooh, wow! Look at that
I got
red.
one too.
Oh, we got one split already.
We got one split. You eat it.
I'll eat it.
Oh my
It's
god.
pretty. That's the in-ground Smith versus the pot Smith, huh?
That is wow.
Game changer.
Oh wow,
That's beautiful. Leaf.
that's pretty dang good.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you're looking to get some
That's
figs,
from YOLO Bypass.
check out Troy. I'll put his link in the description. That's good stuff.
You can't beat it, can you?
Yeah, that's a great fig.
That green Nursery is awfully tasty too.
Yep.
Yeah, I definitely gotta get some Smith.
Now, will they ripen off if you pick them early?
A little bit, yeah, it's in the fridge, but it's real slow.
Okay.
This one's it's ripe, but it can be riper. What is this? That is for the soap root.
Oh my god.
Holy moly, if you eat the inside of that.
Big half.
How about fill John up for breakfast?
Oh man.
Let me see that name. Where's that tag at?
It's so grease.
Is that on the other side?
It is on the other side.
It's all
right
good.
over there. Like, if you want to talk about, let's talk about production now.
It's got a lot.
Let's talk about production.
Every node.
Every node.
You know, there's
That's the
the
Black Creek
average size. They can get a little bigger, but
What's their flavor? Is it a
I haven't quite got any ripe yet.
It's okay.
Because this is the Norilla I'm eating. Not quite. Could be a little riper, but still good.
Yeah, the Smith, one of the favorites for sure. We're down here in the, well, I guess this is the fruit orchard, fruit and nut orchard. Got some chestnuts. It's about a 6-year-old tree. Is this the first year it's put them on?
No, it'll start. You'll just get a few for a while, and then it kind of depends on the weather. If you get a big late frost, if you get a frost in mid-May, you might not get any.
Okay.
But I've had some years like that. But generally speaking, yeah. And then the older they get, the better they do.
Okay, pretty neat. First time seeing chestnuts on a tree in person, I believe. Just want to show you all the cuttings that I got today. I got the LSU O'Rourke. Did I say that right?
Yeah.
O'Rourke. And I definitely can't say
Hardy
that.
Chicago.
Oh, Hardy Chicago. I just can't read. I can say it, I just can't read. Hardy Chicago. That's a really, really good looking plant. That's the biggest one so far. And
Super Red Hybrid.
Super Red Hybrid. That's a pretty one.
Big.
Big, and yeah, they were very good too. And
JH Adriatic.
JH Adriatic. So I got 4 new figs from Troy. Make sure you go over and check out his channel. Leave him a comment. Let him know that Grant sent you over that way. Hit that subscribe and thumbs up for him. Appreciate you. Until next time, have a great day.